Good morning, mat day today. We're going to start in cross-legged position with some rotator cuff work. Band in an underhand hold, pulling the band straight out to the side, back to the center. Your elbows are next to the body. Upper arm is still, pulling out, back in and out. I'm limiting my range of motion with the red bands. If you have any pain, discomfort, either lower your resistance or drop the band altogether. Worst case, don't do the move. Rotator cuff pull out. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4. The bees are in force this morning. And last one. Let's do another set of 15. Excuse me. Shoulders back and down, elbows bent and pulling out. And 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And as promised, I do a lot of triceps to keep those things toned. We're going to put that band under our feet. I'm working barefoot today. See how that goes. To keep that band, the band is sticky. Seems to stay on the bottom of my feet better than on my shoes, and since I'm not hopping around, I can go barefoot. We're going to do tricep pullbacks, squeezing the shoulder blades together, then reaching out front. Squeeze and reach, and squeeze and reach, and 3, 4, 5, 6, shoulders back and down, telling myself, 7, 8, squeezing those shoulder blades, 9, and 10, 5 more, and 4, 3, 2, and last one. Reach out, take a deep breath. Shake it out, and 15 more for the triceps. Those all too difficult muscles to keep toned. Just don't want to stay toned. I've read that it's because there isn't much blood flow back there. Not sure if that's true. Same thing for under your chin. And that's supposedly why, no matter how much you tone the underlying muscle structure, those things sag. You can do your own reading. Pulling those elbows straight back, squeezing the shoulder blades. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And we're going to do some roll-ups, curl-ups, sit-ups, reaching out. I'm going to switch to the red band. Okay? My arms are straight. My back is straight. And I'm going to curl back. Go down as far as you feel you can so that you can still recover back to the top, down to the bottom, back to the top, down to the bottom, to the top. 5. If your lower back hurts doing these, do just a very low range of motion, trying to get those abs to tighten up. Do not stress your lower back. Ab work. Let's do 5 more. And 5. 4. 3. 2. And last one. Good. Keeping the feet out in front, we're going to do some pull-outs, reverse flies. We've done these before. Check your resistance. We're going to keep the arms straightish, soft elbows always. Pull them out, back to the front. Pull them out. Try to focus on those shoulder blades. Pecs and lats. Pull them back. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Squeeze them. And squeeze. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3. We're going to do 2 sets of 15 on this one. 2 and 1. Go backwards, shake it out. I'm just going to go to the other side for kicks. Little different view. Sitting up. Roll those shoulders back and down. Pull it out. And 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 5 more, and 4, 3, 2, and last one. We are going to roll onto our backs, keeping that band under the feet. Roll it down. Bring the legs up to the top. And we're going to bend those knees, kick them out and straighten. Get a little tension on that band. Kick them out, pressing the legs together. Out. Bend the knees, straighten the legs. Bend the knees, straighten the legs, pressing the legs together. 5 more. And 4. 3. 2. And 1. Shake it out a little bit. We're going to do another set of 15. And back down to the bottom. Bring the legs up and kick it out. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping the back flat to the mat. 6. Upper body's relaxed. 8, 9. And we have 5 more. And 4, 3, 2, and last one. Good. I'm going to widen the feet out on that band. I'm going to take my feet out as far as I can. And we're going to drop the legs down to the side and back to the top. Out to the side, back to the top. You feel the sides of your glutes working. Press out on that band. Press it out. This is 10. Smooth and steady. 5 and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, that felt good. Let's do another 15. Give it a rest. Take a breath. Okay. Down. Lifting the legs. Taking it out to the side, taking them out to the side, and then we're going to go all the way down to the side and out. 3. So you've already got your legs apart in a V position, and then you're just going to go down to get full range of motion, tightening up the sides of those glutes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 more, 2 more, and squeeze and hold. Bring it back to the top. Your legs are straight up. You're going to reach out, hold the band tightly. You're going to roll your shoulders up, just slightly off the floor, and we're going to drop those legs. Bring them back to the top. Drop them down. Bring them back. And 3. 4. Pressing down on the band with your feet. Keeping the shoulders up off the mat. Let's do 5 more. 3, 2, and last one. Okay, I'm going to drop my legs down to the bottom, rest my shoulders, my neck and head, and we're going to do another 15. Curling up, tightening down on the band, dropping it to the bottom. And 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. If your neck starts to bother you, drop it down. Keep working on those abs. I'm going to call this 10. 5 more. And 4. 3. 2. And 1 more. Good. Roll it up. We're going to do some single leg moves. You're going to put the band on one leg, and here we go. From here to here, and we're going to bring that leg up and up. 3, 4, 5. Now, other leg down to the mat, and we're going to pulse up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax and pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to circle this leg around, keeping your back as flat as you can, shoulders down. The leg that's on the floor, press down to the floor, and you're going to take that leg out and around. And out and around. 3 and 4. And the other direction. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Back to the top. Let's switch legs. Again, we're just going to stretch that leg a little bit. The hip, rather. Stretch the hip. 3 and 4. And lower the other leg to the mat. We're going to pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gently pulsing. 7 and 8 and rest. And 8 more pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And circle around. Full range of motion on these circles. All the way up, out, down, and around. 3 and 4. And the other direction. 1. Full range of motion for you. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. We're going to double the band. And we're going to lay back on the mat, band in both hands. You're going to press the band to your thighs as you lift your pelvis, pressing up. Okay, straight up to the sky, butt, pelvis, straight up. Pressing down with the hands. 1 and 2, 3. Tightening the glutes, pushing up, tightening the abs. 6-ish. 7, 8, 9, glute squeeze. 10, 5 more, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and squeeze, and down, shake it out. We're going to do 15 more for the butt. Holding the band in both hands, doubled over, or not. You can do a single band, but these are big muscles. I think they can handle it. Pressing up, and 2. Pressing down with the hands, up with the pelvis. 4, and 5, 6, 7. Smooth and steady. 9 and 10. 5 more. And 3, 2, and 1. We're going to come up and hold that position. Bring your right leg in towards the center a little bit so you're balanced on it, and you're going to straighten the leg and lower the leg. Straighten, pressing down through that foot on the floor. Straighten the leg, lower the leg. 4, holding that pelvis up. 7, isometric hold, those glutes are up in the air, pelvis holding firm at the top, firmly at the top. And 5, I'm going to do 15 on each side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Shake them out, especially that one that was on the floor. Shake them out. And pressing the band to the thighs, lifting the pelvis to the air, bringing that, I'm going to call it the left foot, I'll go to left, or foot number 2, in so you can balance on it. As you straighten, bend. Straighten, bend. Pulling down with the bands, up with the pelvis, holding tight on the glutes. Neutral foot. Just lift that leg. Straighten it. Bend the knee. Straighten it. Bend the knee. I'm going to say this is 10 coming up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. From here, we're going to roll up, or however you need to get up. I kind of rolled up. We're going to open the band. I'm going to go diagonal here. You're going to take the band, one end in each hand. Arms are better than shoulder width. Open at the front. And we're going to bend the elbow and rotate. Bend the elbow and rotate. Straighten the arm, bend the elbow, rotate. Bend the elbow, rotate. Bend the elbow, rotate. Go from facing front, bend the elbow, rotate. Adjust your tension on the band for your resistance, especially as you pull that elbow back, rotate. Bend it, and straighten. And one more. Bend it, twist, and back to the front. Good. Shake it out. Now, same move, we're going to add a little bit. Bend the elbow, twist it, open the arm, twist it back, and back to the front. Bend the elbow, twist it, open, twist, back to the front. Bend the elbow, twist it, open, and back to the front. Bend the elbow, twist, open, bend, front. Adjusting your tension as you need. If your shoulder gets tired and you want to complete the reps, loosen up on the band a little bit. Or if you want to drop the band altogether, bend the elbow, twist it, open, bend, front. Bend it, twist it, open, bend, and front. Let's do one more. Bend it, twist it, open, bend it, and front. And let's go to the other side. Other arm. First we're going to do the bend and the twist. Back to the front. Bend it, twist it, back to the front. Bend it, twist it, back to the front. Bend it, twist it, back to the front. As I said, this is all new to me. I just worked this out last night and this morning. So I may re-record it. You may not see the live class later on YouTube. Bend it, twist it, and straighten. Bend it. We'll do two more. And last one. Okay, this time you go ahead and shake it out. And this time we're going to do bend, twist, straighten the arm, and back to the front. Adjust your tension. We're going to bend it, twist it, straighten the arm, twist it, and forward again. You're going to feel the backs of your shoulders working. Twist it, straighten, bend, bend, twist, straighten, bend, twist. Oops, sorry, I did it all in once. Twist. Okay, again, let's do it properly. Bend the elbow, twist it, straighten, twist, and front. Now you know why I talk all the time, to keep myself doing the right form. Bend it, twist it, straighten it, twist, and front. Bend, twist, straighten it, bend, and front. Bend it, twist it, straighten, twist. Let's do one more. Bend it, twist, straighten, and front. Good. Go ahead and shake it out. We're going to get on our bellies. We're going to double up on the band again. And as gracefully as you can, get down on your stomach. We're going to work on the back a little bit. The band is out in front of you. Excuse me. The band is out in front of you on the floor. And you're going to lift your upper body and lower. And lift and lower. Lift it and lower. Lift and lower. Lift, lower. Lift and lower. Bring the arms back, hands by the shoulders. We're going to lift the chest and we're going to press and 2. Slow, smooth, and steady. Just keep your head and your upper chest lifted. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And shake it out. Opposite arm and leg. You've got the band under one knee. Same side hand is holding it. You're going to lift your right leg and your left arm, bands under the left knee. Easier to explain that way. Lift it up and down. Bands in left hand, under the left knee. You're going to lift your right leg and your left arm. Up and down. Adjust the resistance on your band. Lift it up and down. Tightening the glutes at the top. Up and down. And up. You don't need to rush through this. And up and down. And up. Lots of balance work here, right? Right hand on the mat, left knee on the mat, lifting the other two. Lift it. Tighten that glute at the top. Lift it. Relax your neck and head. Looking down at the mat. Lift it. Lift it. We're going to do 5 more. And 5. Make sure that band is secure under your knee. 4. 3. 2. And last one. Good. Okay, let's switch sides. So I was on my left and left. In other words, left knee, left hand. Now we're going to do right knee, right hand. We're going to lift the right hand and the left leg. Lifting up. Get your balance down to the bottom. If you find the right tension on that band, it actually helps you balance. With no tension, it's a little harder to balance. Kind of gives you structure. Pulling against the band, pushing against the foot. I'm going to move up a little bit here so I don't kick the lavender and the bees. Right hand, left leg. Up. Remember your head and your neck are relaxed. I'm not even coming back to the mat with that other knee. Work on your balance. I'm going to do 5 more because you guys were working through me walking up to change the prompt. 3, 2, and 1. Good. We're going to do a couple of stretches. On your back, no band. I want you to lay on your back, flatten your back to the mat. Bring your knees up. This is like our tuck, our two-legged or two-knee tuck in the pool. Bring those knees up, grab the knees and pull them to your chest. Take a breath, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. And one more. Inhale, and exhale. Thanks for joining us today. Have a great day.